Good morning, guys. It's H&O. What's up, you guys? Adventure awaits. So we are going on an adventure. So that's pretty cool and exciting.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do 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 do. It's Go Dogs for One.
Right now, you guys, I'm just trying to figure things out. What kind of chips should we make? It's so hard to come up with video ideas, and it's so hard to come up with some ideas. Really difficulty sometimes, because I'm trying to figure out ideas what to do on top of my head. So that's pretty cool and exciting. Really awesome to do some video ideas for you guys, because this is how I come up with ideas. What was it gonna do? What was it gonna do? Oh yeah, I was gonna make something from scratch, but I don't know what kind of things. I thought we had tons of it. Let's organize the freezer and see what we have. So talk to you guys when I'm organizing the freezer. Hey guys, so I decided what to have for supper while we were organizing the freezer. I found some lasagna. So I am gonna cook some lasagna up. So that's pretty cool and exciting. So talk to you guys when I'm done cooking lasagna. And kind of organizing the freezer. I didn't really show you guys that, but that's what I'm doing. So I would talk to you guys when I put it in the oven. Lasagna. This is what the lasagna looks like, you guys. It looks so good. I can't wait to eat it. So I'm gonna end today's video, you guys. Before I do, I am gonna do the question of the day. So the question of the day is, if you found money on the middle, something like that. I can't remember exactly the question, but if you found money on the middle of the road, street, what would you do? Give it to the owner, keep it, and if so, what would you spend it on? And Raymond answered right here. So right here. So I'm gonna end today's video, but make sure you guys give this a thumbs up. And today's question is, what kind of lasagna do you like? Do you like the vegetarian one? Do you like no cheese lasagna? There's so many different kinds of lasagnas out there, but what is your favorite kind of lasagna? Comment down below. So many kinds of lasagnas, so comment down below. So talk to you guys with a brand new video. Goodbye.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Make sure to check out some more videos of mine right over there. And, oh, you didn't hit the like button yet? How could you? How dare you? Thanks for watching. Bye!